We find the defendant, Hannah Gutierrez, guilty of involuntary manslaughter.
I'm the armor, or at least I was.
We hope that it brings some closure to the Hutchins family. We would request that Ms. Gutierrez be taken into custody.
We know that Alec Baldwin is set to go to trial this July. What does this verdict mean for Alec's case going forward?
I think it does help his case overall. He can certainly point to say, hey, you know, I've already found somebody guilty for this, and it certainly shouldn't be me.
The trigger wasn't pulled. I didn't pull the trigger.
So you never pulled the trigger?
No.
His legal team was seen watching the trial from inside the courtroom in person. How helpful is this tactic? Does it give him like a leg up?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, they got a front row seat to the case against him. They got a chance to see the witnesses, the experts, the documents, positions they're gonna take.
Alec, who has pleaded not guilty, was spotted today leaving his New York apartment. Hannah's in custody after posing for this mugshot in her jail jumpsuit. The 26-year-old showed no emotion after the verdict, but her mother broke down in tears.
Government was not fair. Absolutely not fair.
But this could help Alec.
Hannah is a scapegoat.
Hannah Gutierrez is not a scapegoat.
Both sides argued whether or not Hannah, who faces up to 18 months in prison, was the so-called fall guy for the on-set accident that killed cinematographer Helena Hutchins.
Was there anything that the defense said that maybe convinced you that Hannah Gutierrez-Reed was actually being scapegoated?
No.
What advice would you give to Alec Baldwin and his team going forward?
They have to really point to the fact that there are other participants whose actions were negligent and caused the death of Miss Hutchins. Also, they really need to distance himself from any type of management, saying, hey, he's an actor, it's part of his deal, he's a producer, but it's only as a credit. It's creative, it has nothing to do with managing the set, that was not his job.